Good afternoon, teacher and everyone. My name is Vanessa Salami, and this is my activity for alter ego. My name is Vanessa Salami. I'm 32 years old. In my alter ego, I'm a traveler who visits different places around the world. I also give character training conference. As a traveler, I can enjoy different landscapes and places that allow me to manage stress and reduce anxiety. As a traveler, I have met many wonderful people from different countries and tried different typical foods from different places. I consider that I have not wasted my time, that I have learned about different cultures and another language. I have been thinking that I would like to travel all over the world teaching Spanish or giving character formation talks. I would like to be able to help many people around the world with these talks or conference, help them strengthen their character and strengthen themselves, or know how to deal with the crises that many have in the course of life. With this conference, I have been able to help many young people in situations of crisis and threats. Well, this is my presentation for this activity. I hope that you enjoyed. I also invite you to visit different countries and to know how the beautiful is everything outside. And also I invite you to taste different food from different places. Thank you very much. Have a good day. This is my presentation. Bye bye.